The 2026 Ferrari F80 represents the next great leap in Ferrari's relentless pursuit of speed, beauty, and innovation. Designed to replace the legendary LaFerrari, the F80 pushes the boundaries of hypercar engineering with an emphasis on extreme performance, futuristic styling, and cutting-edge hybrid technology. Ferrari has always been at the forefront of automotive excellence, but the F80 embodies the brand's commitment to blending tradition with the future, ensuring that every detail reflects the DNA of Maranello while embracing the demands of modern supercar enthusiasts. At first glance, the design of the F80 is nothing short of breathtaking. It draws inspiration from aerospace engineering and Formula One aerodynamics, giving the car a sculpted, aggressive, and futuristic profile. The elongated, arrow-like body is low-slung and sleek with sharp lines and flowing curves that channel air with remarkable efficiency. Every vent, intake, and contour has been crafted for performance rather than aesthetics alone, but the result is a car that looks like a piece of rolling art. The long nose, dramatic wheel arches, teardrop cockpit, and wide rear stance communicate a sense of raw power and elegance. While advanced active aerodynamics further enhance stability and downforce at high speeds. Beneath its carbon fiber skin, the Ferrari F80 integrates state-of-the-art technology. Unlike its predecessors that relied heavily on naturally aspirated engines, the F80 embraces hybridization to balance breathtaking performance with a nod to sustainability. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a sophisticated electric motor system, producing an astonishing combined output of around 1,200 horsepower. This hybrid setup not only boosts acceleration but also reduces emissions and improves efficiency when needed. With this configuration, the F80 rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in under 2.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 310 km/h, placing it firmly in the realm of the fastest hypercars ever built. Ferrari's engineers have gone to great lengths to ensure that the F80 offers not only straight-line speed but also world-class handling. The chassis is built from lightweight carbon fiber and advanced composites, keeping the car's weight to a minimum while maximizing structural rigidity. The hybrid power system is seamlessly integrated into the car's balance, ensuring that its extreme power delivery feels natural and controllable. Advanced suspension technology, an intelligent all-wheel drive system, and Ferrari's latest electronic driver aids allow the F80 to remain stable and precise even under the most demanding conditions. For purists, Ferrari has also ensured that the car delivers the visceral feedback and emotional driving experience the brand is famous for, despite its futuristic hybrid system. Inside, the F80 continues Ferrari's tradition of combining luxury with motorsport inspiration. The cockpit is minimalist yet advanced, designed to keep the driver fully engaged. High-resolution digital displays replace traditional gauges, offering real-time information on performance, aerodynamics, and energy flow. Lightweight materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum dominate the cabin, reducing weight while maintaining a premium feel. The seats are sculpted for comfort during long drives but designed with the bolstering and support needed for high-speed cornering. Ferrari's driver-focused philosophy ensures that every button, paddle, and control is positioned for maximum accessibility and precision. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is not just about speed and technology, it is also about exclusivity. As with every Ferrari hypercar, production will be extremely limited, making it a collector's dream and ensuring its place as an automotive icon. Each car will likely be customized to its owner's preferences, further enhancing its uniqueness. With its blend of futuristic design, hybrid performance, and the soul of Ferrari's racing heritage, the F80 is more than just a car. It is a symbol of what the future of driving passion looks like. This model represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's engineering vision, a machine that connects the past and the future in the most thrilling way possible. Would you like me to also craft a shorter YouTube-ready script version of this overview for your branded cars channel?